Squawk, 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 squawk. Hello, everybody. I'm so glad you could all make it. Mrs. and Mr. Bear, Mr. Monkey, Mrs. Elephant. But the reason we are all gathered here tonight is to celebrate Winnie, who just got back from shooting in Tasmania. Who would have known that he could have landed a job? To Winnie!
Huzzah!
How are the hors d'oeuvres? Great! Good. And the drinks? How are your treats? Good? Meow. I'm sick of you! If you guys like this video, I sure had fun doing it. If you did like this video and others and want us to make more Humans Act Like Animals videos, drop a like down below, comment, or subscribe because that's the best thing you can do. And also comment and tell us your favorite animal, okay?